After he cleaned the mattress, there was still an odor that he couldn't get rid of. And when he investigated, the zipper on the mattress was not adequately blocking out blood or other fluids. And that was what he discovered was a flaw in this mattress. As a result of that, we removed all of those particular mattresses. They were the ones that were in ICU, all of them, and the company redesigned them, all because the housekeeper, number one, was observant, and number two, felt empowered to speak up, and number three, we listened to him. And all because of that, we prevented who knows what in terms of infections or other adverse outcomes for a patient.